Hi guys, it's Eva. Hiya. So today, let me show you guys one creative light box like this. If you are looking for a light box that can enhance the sense of atmosphere, please follow me right now. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks for growing your business, alright? So let's get started. Guys, check out this light box with the sunset style. If you are running camping, base, or commercial place, you put this one outside of the door, then different people will take pictures every day for your business. The size and the patterns can be customized. You can add trees or any patterns that you want on it. The color of this picture can be customized too. We also can make full circle or any size that you want. Now imagine people passing by see this light box in your store and what will happen next, such as like this. For example, I will come into the store even I don't need to buy anything, and finally I may buy something outside of your store like this. Okay guys, it's gonna be super perfect to attract a lot of people come inside. So no matter what your business is, I believe lcsign can help you. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that right now guys. Hit that like button and comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.